Welcome to the Plunet Summit 2023.
We consider the core of our software as the component that makes our product essential to your business.
We want to help you to be very successful and to evolve.
What we do for you, and we really hear you. We really love our jobs.
We want everybody here to become a technology-enabled language service provider.
We want to focus on our core competencies. We are integration ready.
By becoming active users of Plunet, we were able to start making smart decisions.
Much of what Converse has done to make this change has been done using functionality that Plunet has natively.
It's super convenient that the PMs can just log in and see exactly what they need to do.
The fact that we could harvest all of this from Plunet increased operational efficiency on all levels.
This is my first summit and I'm super excited because I met super friendly people. I really enjoy networking.
And meeting people is my favorite thing in all the industry. You do these amazing events and I really have a great time here.
I participated in 3 roundtables. I have been learning so much.
Susie was super detailed in the explanation about auto jobs and I really loved that.
I think what I ran out of was paper, so I was taking so many notes.
It's important for me to focus on, what are the more advanced features of Plunet, and then it's really interesting as well to hear what people are doing with the Plunet API.
The fact that we all are Plunet users give us a common language.
We minimize the level of manual work, so that's where Plunet really works.
The allowance of letting systems talk to each other is going to let us move into the future. That's where the magic's going to happen.
I'm a little sad to leave because I feel like I've really started a lot of conversations that I don't want to end. And seeing how close the Plunet team is with each other, it's very inspiring.
It's always nice to go away from the summit and have a few practical takeaways. At the end of the day, you want to leave, get back to work tomorrow and have something that you can work with.
I love the Plunet Summit because even after all these years of using Plunet, I learned something. 20 years of Plunet, I'm super excited to see what the next 20 years of Plunet are as well.
I think it's really been good to see all of you again. I'll see you next time. And thank you.